Hello, I'm Dr. Trigo, and we're going to do a little foot adjustment today. You can see here the anatomy of a foot. Yay! And this is what we do to help our patients with their foot troubles. First thing we do is we can traction the phalanges. Then we're going to lift the metatarsal heads. Then we're going to treat the bunion by tractioning and giving her a little push. Then you got your cuneiforms and your cuboid and your fibular, talofibular joints. Then we're going to go to this one, check the bunion, lift the metatarsal heads, talofibular joint, cuboids and cuneiform, calcaneus. Ooh, good one there. That'll help your gait. Check the dorsiflexion, nice and symmetrical. And that was a quick foot tune-up at Trigo Chiropractic. Ooh, another one. Nice. All right. God bless.